Hello, kids! Let's sing and learn shapes and alphabets together. A is for apple. A, apple. B is for ball. B, ball. C is for cat. C, cat. D is for drum. D, drum. E is for elephant. E, elephant. F is for fish. F, fish. G is for grapes. G, grapes. H is for hat. H, hat. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. J is for juice. J, juice.
M is for monkey. M, monkey.
P is for penguin. P, penguin. Q is for queen. Q, queen. R is for rainbow. R, rainbow. T is for tree. T, tree.